In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Pro Search in Perplexity. Pro Search gives you an upgraded experience in Perplexity with faster responses, more robust results, and priority access when traffic is high. If you're ready to unlock those benefits, the setup is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it. Start by opening your Perplexity account. Go to the Perplexity website or open the app and sign in to the account you plan to upgrade. It's best to use a stable internet connection and make sure you're logged into the correct profile so the upgrade applies to the right place. Next, find and click Upgrade. You'll typically see the upgrade option at the top right of the screen or within your account or profile menu. In some layouts, you may see a Get Pro button in the same area. Both take you to the same upgrade flow. Now choose the plan that fits your needs: personal, education, or business. Personal is ideal for individual users who want the Pro Search experience for themselves. Education is designed for eligible students and educators and often comes with academic pricing. Requirements are shown on the plan page. Business is built for teams and organizations that need multiple seats and centralized billing. Take a moment to compare what's included and whether you prefer monthly or annual billing, and note any promos or trials displayed on the page. Once you've decided, click Get Pro and enter your payment details. Make sure you're on a secure page, look for the lock icon in your browser, then carefully input your card information and billing address. Before you submit, double-check the plan name, billing frequency, total price, and renewal terms so there are no surprises. If there are taxes or fees, they'll be listed here as well. After you confirm the purchase, the payment will process and Pro Search will be activated on your account. You should see a confirmation message and your account status will reflect the Pro plan. From here, you can begin using Pro Search right away and enjoy the enhanced performance and features it provides. If something doesn't look right, review your selection on the upgrade page and make sure the correct plan is highlighted. For questions about eligibility, pricing, or managing your subscription, the help resources linked from the upgrade screen will have the most up-to-date information. And that's it. Open your account, click Upgrade, choose Personal, Education, or Business, then select Get Pro and enter your payment details. You're all set to turn on Pro Search in Perplexity.